Hi, in this video you will learn how to move from one scene to another. Let's create 3 scenes. Right-click, select scene and name it Scene 1. Same action for create another 2 scenes and name them Scene 1 and Scene 3. Now we will delete the sample scene. Let's create a folder and name it as scripts. This folder is for holding the scripts. Now we will create a C# script and name it Move to Another Scene. Let's open the script. Delete the start and update function. Create a function and let's name it Move to Second Scene. Write Unity Engine.Scene Management. Inside Move to Second Scene function, write this code: Scene Manager.Load Scene. The number inside Load Scene function is scene number. To bring the number, go File, Build Settings. Then, in right side, you find the scene number for each scene. So, we will write 1 because scene number of second scene is 1. Now we will create a button for Go to Second Scene. Right-click UI Canvas. Then right-click UI button. Now we will rename the button. Let's name it Scene 2. Let's change the text of buttons into Scene 2. Let's resize the button to be in front of us in game window. Now we will create a game object to handle our script. Right-click, create empty. Let's change this object name into Move to Another Scene. Drag and drop the script to the object. Drag and drop game object into on-click section of a button. Now let's select our function. Let's run the project. It's work. Now we are in second scene environment. Now we will move to another scene by scene name. Let's run the project again. Now we will create a new function to use it for moving from one scene to another using one function for all scenes. Let's name this function Move to Another Scene by Number. Let's create a public variable for handling a number of each scene. Name it into Scene Number. Inside this function, write this code: Scene Manager.Load Scene. The number inside Load Scene function is Scene Number variable. Let's save script. In Scene 2 button, drag and drop script. To get the scene number, go File, Build Setting, and then you will see in right side the scene number. In script section, put the scene number. Let's duplicate the Scene 2 button and rename it into Scene 3. Also change the text into Scene 3. Change the Scene 3 button position. Also change the scene number in that script. In function section of each button, select Move to Another Scene by Number function. And now, let's run the project. Thank you for watching.